Dear students, Namaskar. Myself S.K. Rajput, and today we will discuss chemical properties of some metal. Today we are discussing the properties of copper metal and compounds of copper. So copper is a metal. It is a good conductor. Its color is brown. If we heat copper in presence of oxygen or air, then copper react with oxygen and form CuO. This CuO is called cupric oxide. The valency of in this compound in copper is 2 valency plus, this is 2 minus. This is black color compound. Actually remember, the initial valency of copper is 0, the valency of oxygen here is 0. After the reaction, the valency of copper increase from 0 to become plus 2. If in any reaction, valency of any metal is increased, the process is called oxidation. And the valency of oxygen is reducing. So we can say copper is oxidizing from 0 to 2 plus. If we are passing hydrogen gas on the surface of cupric oxide, water molecule remove and again copper with brown color is formed. Listen, the reaction of hydrogen is called reduction. In this reaction, first reaction is oxidation, the second is reduction. So the combination of reduction and oxidation is called redox reaction. This is actually called redox reaction. In simple word we can say, listen, this is sodium, this is chlorine. Sodium is reacting with chlorine and forming NaCl. On the basis of electronic theory of redox, we can say that the valency means oxidation state of sodium is increasing from 0 to plus 1. If in any reaction oxygen state is increasing, this is called oxidation. And the species, the element of which oxidation is increasing, this is called reductant. Listen, reductant means reducing agent of which valency is increasing, means of which oxidation takes place. This is chlorine. After the reaction, the valency of chlorine become minus 1. So, if the valency means oxidation state is reducing, the process is called reduction. And species of which reduction takes place, this is called oxidant. And the whole reaction is called redox. Redox is the combination reaction in which reduction and oxidation, both reaction takes place simultaneously. Next, this is copper. If copper react with sulfuric acid, then do you know what compound will form? Any compound will form or not? If compound are reacting, what compound will form or not compound will form? You should be know what is the activity series or reactivity series. In next video we will discuss about activity series. On the basis of activity series we can say this metal can remove hydrogen from acid or not. The copper is least reactive than hydrogen, so reaction will not take place. But listen, if this is copper sulfate, this is zinc. Zinc is more reactive than copper, so this reaction will happen and form zinc sulfate along with copper. This is also called redox reaction, but this is its another name is displacement reaction. In this reaction, zinc from 0 valency is replacing copper. Its valency is 2 plus. After the reaction, copper becomes 0 and zinc becomes 2 plus. The oxidation state of zinc is increased, so oxidation of zinc happen and reduction of copper happen. This is called redox reaction. Another, listen. Suppose this is CuCl2 called cupric chloride. Cupric chloride. If we are reacting with lead form PbCl2 but with removal of copper. This is lead chloride. On reacting sodium nitrate with lead chloride, sodium is more reactive than lead, so sodium is replaced. In this reaction, copper is replaced by lead. So this is called displacement reaction. But in this reaction, lead is replacing by sodium and sodium is replacing by lead. So this is called DD, double displacement reaction. After this reaction, NaCl will remove and lead with 2 valency. The valency of lead is 2, so we write PbNO3 whole 2. This compound is called lead nitrate. Here we can write 222. If this is double displacement reaction. If we heat lead nitrate, on heating lead nitrate, this compound decomposes. So this is called decomposition reaction by the help of heat, so called thermal decomposition. Thermal means heat. So on decomposition, lead nitrate gives PbO, its color is black, and NO2 gas along with O2 gas. Do you know these two are gases? Oxygen gas help in combustion, but NO2 gas, the color of NO2 gas is brown. In exam paper, they ask that there is a compound on heating, a brown color gas is produced. Identify the gas. The gas is NO2, nitrogen dioxide. Listen. This is copper, zinc. These are two metals, copper and zinc. If copper react with nitric acid, and zinc also react with nitric acid, what will happen? Listen. Copper and zinc both form their respective nitrate, means copper nitrate, we can say cupric nitrate, and zinc nitrate, along with NO2 gas with water molecule. Remember, copper and zinc metal with concentrate nitric acid do not form hydrogen gas, because nitric acid is the strong oxygen which further oxidize hydrogen to oxide, and water is formed H2O, not single H. If we are using, instead of concentrate nitric acid, we are taking dilute nitric acid. Then dilute nitric acid react with copper and metal gives different type oxide of nitrogen. Cupric nitrate, zinc nitrate, and along with water, they will form two new oxides, no NO2. Copper form NO, the NO is called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide. The valency of nitrogen in this compound is 2, nitric oxide. But with dilute nitric acid, zinc form N2O. This N2 is called nitrous oxide. The nitrous oxide, also called laughing gas. It means there are 3 gases of nitrogen which are formed when nitric acid react with metal, zinc or copper. With concentrate nitric acid, both metal give NO2, nitrogen dioxide, the brown color compound gas. With dilute nitric acid, copper form NO, NO is called nitric oxide. In nitric oxide, valency of nitrogen is 2. And zinc react with nitric acid and form nitrous oxide. In this case, the valency of nitrogen is 1. Here, look here, the valency of oxygen is -2. This is NN. If the valency of nitrogen is +1, then we write here valency of oxygen in crisscross pattern. This is nitrous oxide, laughing gas. If the valency of both gases 2 2 then cancel and form NO. NO is nitric oxide. Quickly revise. Copper is brown color metal. On reacting with oxygen, it gives black color. Generally, exam they ask, there is a metal which is brown color on passing oxygen. In when we heat, in presence of oxygen, its color become black. If we are passing hydrogen gas, again brown color is formed. Identify the metal. The metal is copper. Listen. If we kept copper in air, then copper slowly react with CO2 along with H2O. These are impurities present in atmosphere and form CuCO3 along with CuOH whole 2. This is called cupric carbonate. This is called cupric hydroxide. The mixture of these two is green in color. These two compounds are formed on the surface of copper. This process is called corrosion. So generally in our exam they ask, if we kept copper container, copper metal in air, the color of copper or compound become green. Give the reason. Copper react with CO2 and water and form these two compounds on the surface of metal. If we are using any acid on its surface, these two remove and again fresh copper is formed. So we are using any acid to clean the copper container, but we can't kept any acid in copper container because copper react with acid just like nitric acid and form other compound. Thank you for watching. We will discuss reactions of some next metal in next